I am Damien from Pulling Money. Today I'm going to talk to you about the time zone, right? The different type of time frame. When you are in the horizontal mode, tap the middle of the screen and you see the different time frame. On the left hand corner you have the minute 1, M1 mean 1 minute, M5 mean 5 minutes, M15 mean 15 minutes, M30 mean 30 minutes, H1 mean 1 hour, H4 mean 4 hours, D1 mean 1 day, W1 mean week 1 week, and MN mean 1 month. Right now, in each time frame, this is the 1 month time frame. Each candle takes 1 month to fully form, to open and close. In the 1 week time frame, each candle takes 1 week to open and close. Right, so for each time frame, the candle take that length of time. Each candle take that length of time to open and close. When you are in the vertical mode, in order to gain access to the time frame, what you would do, you would click on this clock option, and this give you access to the various time frame. M1 mean minute 1, M5 minute 5, right? Another way you can access the time frames in vertical mode is just tap in an open space and you see this circle come up which contain all the effects. So M15 mean minute 5, M30 minute 30. So that is how you access the time frame in Metaphor Trader mobile version. If you like this video, if this video is of value to you, click the like button, leave a comment, help me to grow this channel.